Do you hear the camera lens rattle sound? And should you worry on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra? Now, if you hear a rattling sound when you're shaking your Samsung Galaxy S25, like this sound here, especially near the camera modules here, don't worry, this is completely normal. So it is normal to hear that sound. So why does the camera rattle and make the sound? The rattling noise is caused by the optical image stabilization (OIS) system, which helps reduce blur and improve photo or video stability. And here's what is happening. Three things that may cause it happening. The floating lens mechanism. The camera lens is designed to move freely within the module to compensate for hand movements and vibrations. Now, this is a normal behavior. When the phone is off or not using the camera, the OIS components remain loose, causing a slight rattling sound. So here you can see I have my phone off and it still makes that sound. Now, there is no impact on the camera quality. The OIS system activates when the camera app is open, locking the lens in place and eliminating the noise. So if you start the camera app now, once you use certain lens at the back here, you can see if I shake my phone, it no longer make the sound. Now this is because once the camera has been activated, it is locking the lens in place and no longer the lens is floating or moving freely. So when should you be concerned about the noise? So while some rattling is normal, you should only be worried if the noise is excessively loud or different from the soft rattle, the camera fails to focus properly, or show blurry image consistently. So if you hear the sound and the camera is not sharp, so here the camera is fairly sharp, but if it's not sharp, if you lose focus, then you need to check it out. Now, if the camera fails to open, and if it's not opening, the app is crashing, something that you might want to consider looking into the camera lens. And if the sound happens even when the camera is actively in use, then in these cases it's best to have your camera inspected, and best if you have Samsung to have a look at the cameras. If it's new and if it's still under warranty, you can have them check out the camera for free. So in conclusion, the camera lens rattle on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the Ultra is normal. Is a normal OIS behavior and it's not a defect. It helps improve photo and video stability, so there's no need to worry unless it affects the camera performance and focus. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.